Welcome everyone to a new video. Thank you all of you who watched my previous video with the chicken fricassee. We had 1,500 views in 24 hours, which is a record for myself. Today I'm gonna show you how to do Turkish breakfast. It's only 5 ingredients and you don't need more than 10 minutes to cook it. Let's go through the ingredients and we start to cook. Now ingredients, how I told you, extremely simple: onion, tomato, I got sheep's cheese, 1 lovely chili, 3 eggs, salt, pepper, olive oil and parsley. This being said, let's start to the prep. We start with onions and I'm not gonna bore you with all the prep. Everything, all the ingredients needs to be small diced. That's the size. Tomato the same. Chili, I'm gonna cut it small, and chopped parsley. All the ingredients are ready. I got here the lovely tomato, fresh tomatoes and parsley. I mixed them together, and here I got the white onions with chilies. Let's start to cook. Okay, so we're gonna start with olive oil in. Make sure the pan is hot. I put around 50-60 milliliters of olive oil. I got here the onions and the chilies. Just put them in. Don't waste nothing. Salt, Maldon salt. I'm gonna use fresh cracked black pepper. We mix it and we leave it to cook until it's nicely caramelized. At this point the onions are ready with the chilies. You can see how nice it looks. So we go in with the tomato and parsley. Give a good mix and you leave it until all the tomatoes are nicely melted. Now at this point is the time to put the eggs in. I got here 3 lovely eggs. Put them in and very gently mix. After the eggs are halfway cooked, I'm gonna grate the cheese on. Be generous with the cheese. I will say again, it's a sheep's cheese. Give another mix. And of course, some fresh parsley on the top. And this is my lovely Turkish breakfast. Amazing. Thanks everyone for watching this episode. I hope you did enjoy it. Let's do the taste test now. I got here my lovely Turkish breakfast. I got here some paratha bread. See, very thin. Just break one piece of the bread and I dig in from here. It's super delicious, very creamy, full of flavors and very cheap to make. Superb. If you have this in the morning, I guarantee you don't need to eat nothing until evening. This being said, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for sharing my videos. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, do it right now, right here. And I will see you next week with a new comfort food dish. Thank you.